Welcome to the informative in Black Shark 5, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and now you can see here all the available icons. If you want to remove some icons from here or just add some icons here to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And to add here we can see this down section with invisible icons, and if you want to add them to your notification panel, you should click here on this pluses. If you want to remove some apps from here, some icons, you should click on the minuses on the right upper corner of each of the icon. And then just to change the positions of the icons, hold and drag it to the left or to the right side with your finger, and then just tap here to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.